Most people hit the pavement to burn calories. What if you could hit the pavement and make money at the same time? Not by delivering food, but by letting an AI system run for you. Today, I'm revealing how I built an entire AI income system before my morning run, and by the time I was back, it was already generating passive income. No coding, no investment, just three free tools. This isn't about trading time for money. This is about leveraging AI to create a truly passive income stream that works while you're out living your life. Imagine checking your phone after a workout to see sales notifications. You're probably thinking, that sounds too good to be true, but it's not. I'm going to show you the exact blueprint, step by step, that allows you to make money using AI while you run. The first step is setting up your AI runner, the core system that will work for you. This isn't about complex coding, it's about smart configuration of free tools. Think of it as programming your personal income marathon. We start with product creation. Instead of weeks of brainstorming, AI generates a viable product idea and outline in minutes. This is your digital asset ready to be automated. It's the fuel for your income engine. Next, we refine this product. Whether it's an ebook, a template, or a mini course, AI helps us flesh out the details. This entire process can be completed in less time than it takes to warm up for a run. This is where the magic of automation begins. We're building a system that can create, market, and sell all while you're enjoying your morning jog. It's about working smarter, not harder, and letting AI do the heavy lifting. Now, for the truly passive part, automation. This is the marathon phase where your AI system runs independently. We're connecting the dots so that once your product is ready, sales happen automatically. I'll show you how to link your AI-generated product to a free sales platform. This handles payments, delivery, and even follow-up emails, all without your intervention. You literally set this up once and it runs in the background, making money while you're focused on your fitness goals or anything else. This is the finish line, or rather the start of your continuous income stream. You wake up, go for your run, and when you return, your AI system has been working. The notifications on your phone aren't alarms, they're sales. The drift is about maintaining this effortless scale. With AI handling the heavy lifting, consistency is no longer a struggle. You've just been given the blueprint to make money while you run, turning your active time into truly passive income. The future of income is active living, passive earning. If you're ready to stop trading all your time for money and start leveraging AI to build a system that runs itself, hit that like button and subscribe. Drop a comment. What activity would you do while your AI system makes money? Let's drift.